Today, we will be reviewing this 2-in-1 hot pot and grill combo. I really don't like to give bad reviews, but this video is about this product and it is really bad. The whole thing is made out of plastic except the top. The top is metal with a non-stick paint so that your food doesn't get stick to the cooktop, the grill top. And that part is very good. No complaints there. But what we found out was that during cooking, for whatever reason, all the grease and oil seeps down under the surface. Of course, you can just take the grill top up and clean within inside. But then we found out grease was leaking from somewhere else. So upon releasing these three small screws, we found a bunch of grease underneath it. And it was really disgusting. Here you can see that I'm cleaning up the mess. And this should not be even an issue. So it looks like it's back to the drawing board to find a good grill and hot pot combo. Most likely we'll just buy two separate, one for grilling and one for hot pot. If you know of a good product, please let us know. Please let everyone know in the comment section below. Hope this video helps you out with your purchase of something better, because whatever you do, don't buy this product. Alright, thanks for watching.